Hey, are you an Apple Macintosh end user? Also, are you looking for a transcriber program, and more specifically, artificial intelligence created? In this video, I'm going to discuss how to use Voibe Apple Macintosh Artificial Intelligence Transcriber. First of all, it runs in the background. So once you install it, it'll automatically run in the background. And then all you have to do is look in the Apple Macintosh status bar and look for the icon. If you see the Voibe icon, it is good to go and you're ready to transcribe. So let me show you their website where they have additional instructions here. Right here, how to use Voibe. So the first thing you want to do is that you're going to hold the FN function key, which is a shortcut that will then activate the Voibe software. Now it's already running in the background. It's just going to activate it so you see it and you see the editor. Now one point of contention is that if you have an existing shortcut that uses the FN key, you can actually modify it and edit and change it. You don't have to use FN for the shortcut. You could use a different, multiple keys or a different key. Just to let you know, right here, it says here, hold the FN function key. You just click into the editor and then press and hold the FN function key if that is the chosen hotkey, but you can change it. Then you just start to speak like normal into the microphone that you're using. Then you release the FN function key to insert the text. And then your words will appear instantly in the Voibe editor. Okay, this is redundant. And some additional information. Here are some tips. You can actually change the hotkey like I stipulated before. If FN key conflicts with a shortcut in your Apple Macintosh computer that is already being used, then you just open Voibe settings and then choose a different key. You can pick a key that what you want to do is you'll want to pick a shortcut key that is not being used by any other shortcuts, obviously, because you can only use one at a time per program. Custom terms. You can actually create a dictionary of custom terms. You can add specific words like a product or company name. And then it says here that Voibe will then learn to spell it correctly in any future dictation. So anytime that you use this transcribe software and if you add it into the custom dictionary, it will spell them correctly for you so you don't have to worry about spelling mistakes. It has a developer mode. So inside of artificial intelligence coding agentic technology, what you'll do is you'll speak file or folder, or for plural, you would speak files with an S or ABC, and then Voibe will then automatically annotate the right files and folders in that conversation. Coding agents. Now you can use these with coding agents. Remember, this is artificial intelligence. This is generative artificial intelligence. You can speak full thoughts for prompts for other artificial intelligence generative chatbots. You can mention file and folder names when you think of them. And there's even a developer mode that can help with the names and pass inside that active workspace that you're using. You can even use it for another form of generative artificial intelligence, which is a artificial intelligence chatbot. You can speak the intent and context and even constraints in one clear message so that those tools respond with fewer follow-ups. So you don't have to sit there and have a lengthy chat with that artificial intelligence chatbot. Documents and notes also. You can speak through ideas at a speed the way you think. So you can create notes at the speed you think by just speaking as you're thinking. Then you can actually refine the structure with hangs and sections after the fact. You can actually dictate emails and messages. All right. You can speak out your first rough draft of the message, and then after the fact, if you're not happy with the text, you can actually edit tone and details before then sending an email message. Project and task tools. You can actually speak through a task, an outcome, and even acceptance notes in plain language. And then you could convert those checklists as necessary. You can even use this Voibe transcriber to research, and even in a web browser. You can actually dictate what you find through a web search. You can dictate questions, and you can also dictate summaries while you're actually reading without interruption. That is, I think, as much as I'm going to cover. If you want more additional information about this artificial intelligence Voibe software, you can browse to getvoibe.com. Adios!